Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all.
I gave a life, I'm a vessel, my little daughter.
So for today's tutorial, I'm going to be talking about this facial mask. You all have seen it in my previous video. I didn't really talk much about this because I have the intention of showing you guys how I'm going to be applying it, and I also want to show you the after effects like the following morning. So I'm so glad that the mask they sent to me, it's the one that actually targeted towards my skin concern, which is dry whenever I wake up. So I was really happy when I opened the package and I read about the mask. It's a sleeping mask. And what is a sleeping mask and what does it do for us? According to my research, sleeping mask is actually meant for people that they have dry skin. If you feel like you're kind of going through what I said I've been going through, a sleeping mask will be good for your skin, because it's actually going to be working while you're sleeping. It will moisturize your skin, keep your skin hydrated, and that's why I was glad that this is part of what is sent to me. And what I'm talking about is this one. So if this is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification bell in order for you to know whenever I upload. So without wasting much of your time, guys, let's jump right into this video. So I'm going to be using the mask that was sent to me by global beauty company. They reached out to me on Instagram, and they sent me this package. It contains a cleanser, it contains a facial mist, and also a facial mask that is targeted towards my skin concern, which I've been talking about, being dry every morning when I wake up. Even after I've done I did follow my regular skin routine. Okay, so this is the cleanser that was sent to me. This cleanser, it has goji berry plus orange, and we all know how orange is vitamin C. Yes, and you know how effective is that on our skin, actually brightening our skin. If you're kind of having hyperpigmentation or you're having discoloration, vitamin C in any product helps to brighten it up. That's the research I made. Okay, I'm not a skin doctor, I am not an expert, but every time I receive gift like this, or before I purchase something, I normally try to go online to read about it to see if it's going to benefit me one way or the other. The facial mask contains avocado, which is rich in fatty acid that are essential for moisturization. Also, it contains green tea, which helps to soothe and depuff the skin. And the last one, which is the facial mist, you can either use that before you apply your makeup or after your makeup to set your entire face, or whenever you feel like your skin needs hydration. So guys, we're going to move to the next step, which is the cleansing of my face. You all can tell I already have makeup on right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go off the camera, take off these false lashes, and take off the makeup with some makeup wipes, and I'll come in with this cleanser that was sent to me by the company to cleanse my face, and I'll come on the camera to continue the remaining process, just to show you how to use a sleeping mask. This is finished cleansing my face with this cleanser, and I'm going to move on to the second step, which is using a toner to clean my face down to my neck. And the work of a toner, it's to tighten up your pores. By Estee Lauder. So step number 3 that I'll be going into, I'm going to be going into my serum, and this serum also is by Estee Lauder. It's called Advanced Night Repair Intense Reset Concentrate. This is meant for the night. So usually I dab a little at the back of, because a little goes a long way. It's concentrated, it's thick. So I put a little there. And step number 4 will be your eye cream. But lately I've not been using eye cream. I've been using a vitamin E oil. The last step will be the sleeping mask, which I already opened, and this is how it looks inside. And I'm just going to take some reasonable amount that I feel like my skin is gonna need, then just go. This is the following morning. I just woke up. I'm going to go into the bathroom to wash my face. Remember, I slept with a facial mask till the following morning. What I can tell you, obviously I like it. It works because normally when I wake up my face will be so dry, like I said in my video, but this morning it looks very relaxed and moisturized. I like the products. This is not how my skin has been looking lately. Like when I wake up it feels very dry, but I'm not feeling like that at the moment. So I'm gonna keep using the products to the last bit of it. The last step, this one is a facial mist. It's not necessary for this procedure. Because of this video, I'm not taking my bath. I just rinse my face just to end up this video because I still have some chores to do in the morning. This is like after 8 in the morning, okay? So I just wanted to round up this video. So in order to keep my face hydrated, I'm just going to use this. This can be used either before makeup or after makeup, or just to refresh your skin. So I'll just spray some on my face and round up this video. This is the end of this video. Thank you once again for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell in order for you to know whenever I upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Stay blessed.